Excited? Yeah.
Fourth year doon talaga nag-start lahat. Basic, common sa mga babae, madaling hulihin Kumbaga, is one of, I would say, brightest sa class, isa rin sa pinakamaganda sa class, definitely, kung hindi pinakamaganda sa class.
True ba? Ba yun? Wala ka dun?
Finally, after 27 years.
My God, I didn't expect na yeah, I didn't expect na mangyayari to, like super hindi. It's just all perfect timing. Kasi we started like 4th year. Parang sabi ko, pag kayong papakasal, ganyan. So, oo nga, Benson, pakasalan mo na nga ako. So, ako yung nag-propose.
And then, the rest is history na. We have 2 beautiful kids. El dalaga na, and binata na din. Pero yung init, lahat, nandun pa din Alam mo yun, up until, pakasal na. Hindi na to formality Talagang, seryosohin na natin, matagal naman ng seryoso Why not do it now? Why not Feb 5? And then, go, tara. And then here we are.
Yung wedding coordinator ko na si ChatGPT, sabi niya yun daw yung swerte. Yan daw yung swerte for roosters. Tapos 2525, yun ang cute, diba?
Swerte kasi yun as per feng shui.
And then when you add it, it's the 77, so lucky number pa din siya. So more of money talaga. Let's go!
After this marriage, day 1 ulit. Niligawan kita ulit kung paano tayo before. Ano pa yung next na another maybe 27 times 2? Bakit hindi, di ba?
Naiyak ako! Nasira na naiyak ako! Excited. Like, ayaw ko na kasi umiyak. Nasira ako ng makeup ko.
Promise ko sa'yo, sobrang aalagaan pa rin kita. Promise mo sa akin, kagaya before, walang iwanan. Sa lahat, tagumpay, trials, sama-sama pa rin. And tuloy natin yung pag-aalaga sa mga bata up until kaya na talaga nila. Finally, sa harap ng family, friends, yung love namin, i-show namin yung vow na yun sa kanilang lahat. And forever to, up until grave, yun lang ito mapuputol. And then sa next life, definitely siya pa rin. Well, 27 years. Long years. Yung promise ko sa'yo, hindi na siya promise lang. Reality na siya. You're my one. My only one.
In the gospel that we read, Jesus said, what God has joined together, no human being must separate. And here you are this morning, being joined not just by a priest, but you're being joined by God. We should run away, 'cause I don't wanna.
Kahit na tumagal, alam ko dito rin naman ang punta nun eventually. Yung mga anak na tayo, pero lalakasin ko pa yung relationship natin, tapos pagtitibayin ko. Na parang nililigawan kita ulit. Back from day 1. Parang ganun.
Why would you want to receive the sacrament of matrimony? Because probably the simplest answer to that question is that you want to receive the sacrament of matrimony simply because you love each other.
'Cause you're my one. 27 years and finally we're here and I've waited so long for this day na, finally to get married. I believe in perfect timing and everything came into place and we made it.
Of course.
Yeah, we made it.
Nandito kayo hindi dahil matagal na kayo nagsasama. Nandito kayo hindi dahil may mga anak na kayo. Kundi nandito kayo simply because you love each other. The sacrament of matrimonio is not just a ceremony, but it is a tie between a man and a woman that truly love each other and that would make a promise before God that in sickness and in health, you will be together.
You break me down and build me up, make me believe it. Every low and mountaintop came for a reason, but I'm worried for my heart, 'cause how could I go on if we fall apart? When you're my one,
I can't live without you. I cannot. I just can't. I love you.
I love you, baby. And promise ko sa'yo, you're the only one.
only one who made me whole again. You're my one. You're my one.